Hi guys, Chris here, and I would like to show you how to create a line-based data item. You can see on the picture there's a bunch of different symbols used for construction site layout, when you're annotating it. And I create some families to make the work a little bit more dynamic. And in this video, what I would like to show you is how to create this symbol here and this line. And we're going to start with creating instance and then nesting into another family type. And after we're done with the geometry, I will show you how to create the schedule, add some shared parameter in order to extract the data from this line. So you can measure how many meters of cable or pipes you need for your site layout. Okay, let's go to it. Press Ctrl D or just home. Create a new family. English. Matrix detail item and open. Let's place some reference planes. So RP is the shortcut. And I'm going to pick lines, set the offset to 200. And I need 6 this way. 6 and a couple this way. Okay, now let's place some dimensions. DI is the shortcut. Make it equal. Make it equal. Okay, let's draw some lines now. Go to create, line. I'm gonna pick medium lines, they're a little bit more visible. And you can turn off your chain, it's a little bit easier, and you can constrain on the spot. Okay, now press align AL and review constraints. Yeah, it's a few missing, so let's start on this side. Yeah, there's like a little blue dot at the end of the line. If you can't see it, just press tab a few times. You can skip that one is just to keep the equality. I think that's it. Should press escape, they should appear. Turn on the constraints. And let's add some parameters. Click on that one. Create new. Make it instance. That will be our width, but I'm going to just type WH shortcut. Makes it easier. And I'm going to flex it. Yeah, I think that's okay. Perfect. Let's move on. That will be offset. Create new instance. Just shortcut offset. And this is the same distance, so just pick one, pick offset from the label. And last one, create new instance. That's the length, so that's just height. And okay, let me just flex it. Yeah, that's perfect. One thing, you can see how it looks like. So it's like a line and then amplitude and a line again. So what I want to do is make this distance, this amplitude, to be 20% of total length, so that leave me 80% for both offsets, so that will be 40% for each offset. And I'm going to type some formulas. I'll go to your family types. H multiply by 0.4 for 40%, because we got 2, so that's 80%. Apply. And okay, you can see that's that has already changed. So let's just flex it again. Let's type 500. Yeah, perfect. You can see this is a red line, so we need to assign subcategory to our line work. So just go to Manage, Object Size, New, and I'm going to call it High Voltage Video. And okay, change the color. For the sake of the video, I'm going to pick blue. And okay, and change the line weight to, let's say, 3. And okay. Select the geometry and change to your line. You can see it's nice and blue. Okay, that first step done. And Control D for Home and New Families. English. Metric detail item line base. And open. Go back to your first template. Click Load into the project. If you have any other projects open, make sure you select the new family template you just opened and click OK. Just place somewhere here. If for any reason your mouse pointer is like this or that, just tap space. It needs to be on the left. This is your origin. And place it. Now let's place few reference planes, RP. Now we're going to place some dimension, DI. Make it equal. One more. Click on that one and create new parameter. This is our new width. This time I'm just going to type width and OK. And now click on the instance. And now we're going to associate the parameters. So this is our width from the previous template. Just click on the little box there and click on the width. And OK. And now you can see it's driven by this new width. So if you type 200, it will change accordingly. Okay, that's great. Let's move it down. Now press Align AL and start by aligning. If you hover over that instance, you can see the reference planes from our previous template. So just keep aligning. Middle one, you can see it's highlighting. And lock it, and just keep locking. Great. Click escape a couple times, and yeah, just select that one, AR for array, or you can just click it there. Make sure you have group and associate selected, and we need to select to last. Just hover over that instance again, and this is our weak reference plane on the back. So just select that one, drag it down, click it, place it, click align, hover till you see the blue lines popping up, and keep locking it. And the middle one, and see if you hover, it's links. Okay. Okay. Click on the box. Click on the line of the array. Let us place new, type new parameter, make it instance, and I will call this array spacing. And okay. Click on that box again. Now, because we created the array, this is a group, so just click Edit Group, click on the instance, and now click on that box by the length. We're going to associate that one now. Create new, make it instance, and I'm going to call it spacing. And okay, and okay. and big green check mark. Let's go to our family types now, and we're gonna type the formula, and that will be our length divided by spacing. Apply, and OK, and let's test it. Yeah, you can see that it's like a little small gaps. This is like actually the glitch from the array when trying to fit another one, but I show you the trick how to do that a little bit better. So just type 0.85, so that will be multiply it, it will be 85% of our spacing, of the spacing, and just place some parentheses over and apply. You can see that looks much better now. And yeah, let's load that into the project. And this time, select the project, and let's test it. Yeah, that's fine. Let's just select that, and I'm gonna make it the width a little bit bigger, 300, and the spacing a little bit bigger, say 800, and apply. That's better. And the only problem we've got now is blue. So let's press VG for visibility graphic. Go to your detail items, and we call that HV video overlay graphic with in view. Call it red. Okay, I'm gonna change the line weight to 5. Okay, okay. Now it's red. Okay, so we've done nested family. Now what we need to do, create the schedule. And what I want to do, you can see I already create few. So I'm just gonna show you how it works. You got the length here. So if you drag it, you can see the length will change, because that's the total length of the array. And let's create a schedule. New schedule. Go to detail items. And OK. And we're gonna put our family type. And what else we can add? Maybe type. And yeah, that's it for a minute. As I go to the schedule, let me just do it quickly here. Control S for to save it. I'm gonna type video. That's okay. Video test, save it. Load into the project and close. Okay. And I'm gonna close that one as well. Yeah, just I'm gonna save it, whatever. All right. So we got our schedule, and just there's two things with it. We got types, which that's okay, but the thing is, let me show you. If you go to your annotation and your components, detail components, let me place some. You can see there's you can have a bunch of different ones in your project. So let me just place a few. Now, if I go to my schedule, you can see they're all there, and I don't really need those. I just want to know. I just need the cables and pipes to calculate my meters or whatever you need to do with it. And if I go to filter, and I cannot filter by family type or type, and I don't really have any other data I could use to filter by. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to manage, shared parameters, And I already create one. So what you do is just go to create and then just give it some descriptive name, and you're gonna save it in your, I know, the file you want, or you can save it on your desktop. Once you save it, then you click on the groups and just give again, just give some descriptive name. You can see my group name is CSL for construction site layout, and then click OK, and then go to new, and then you have to create the parameter. And again, I got two here. One is filter only, and the other one is units required. The filter only is a common, and I just put the I think I just place the text on it. So you just pick the text, and let me just create another one. So I'm just gonna type test and OK, and I'm gonna create another one for units. So just press new one, and this time length is OK, and I'm gonna type test 2 and OK and OK. And what you're doing now, if you the one I just created doesn't have anything yet, so if you click on that, go to edit family, and family and type, just click on that double arrow so you can see what's in there, and now you click new parameter, and first I'm gonna add and you can see here you have family parameters, the one we've been just using to create the line, and now you have to change the share parameter and select it, and I'm gonna select the filter only and click OK, and you can leave it type, and here you have to change to identity data and click OK, and now you can see it's here, and I'm gonna type CSL for construction site layout and click OK, and I'm gonna load this into the project and close. Yes, save, override the existing version, and now go to our schedule. And what we're gonna do now, go to filter, sorry, go to fields first, and now you can see the filter only is here. You can click it and place it to your schedule and click OK. And now go to the filter, filter only, contains CSL, and OK. And now we got only your pipes. Simple. Okay, that's one thing done. Now what we need to do is gather the data from the family. So basically what I want this length to appear in the schedule. So what I'm gonna do is edit family again, go to type, new parameter, change to shared parameter, select, and units required. This is basically, they are just names. Like I said, all you need to do, make sure in that one you put the text or number, it's up to you. And this one is actually the length, because it's driven by the length. So just click OK and make it instance this time. Because we're gonna put some formula, and change to identity data. Click OK. And now what I'm gonna type it, let's say this is our cable, and we need at the moment we need 3 meters, but let's say there will be like a 10% waste, so we can type like 1.1 multiply by length, apply. Okay, sensitive, apply, and okay. And now load that into the project, override the existing version, and now go back to the schedule, fields, units required that our parameter, that my parameter I created, and wherever yours is called, just click it, bring it down, click OK. And I have the how many millimeters of each cable or pipe you need. If you want to change that to meter, just click on formatting and click here. Yeah, you need to change to units required, then click build format and unclick use project settings and change to meters. Click OK, OK, and now you have in meters. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope that's helpful. Please leave some feedback below the video, and thank you.